Bravo, behind traffic on short, final runway 20, line up and wait behind.
Turkish 3 Sierra Bravo, we need to hold position due to high brake temperature for like less than 10 minutes.
Copy that, sir. Lining clearance is cancelled. Advise me fully ready.
I'll call you. Tower, how long is Turkish going to wait? 15 minutes?
I think 1 minute after the next landing traffic will be enough.
We need approximately 10 minutes.
10 minutes, confirm?
Whoa, 10 minutes.
Okay, sir. I think you will have to leave the holding point. For now, hold position.
Yeah, sure.
For now, hold the position. 3 Sierra Bravo.
Turkish 3 Sierra Bravo, just for my information, are you able to taxi?
Affirmative, taxi.
Okay, call you back. Turkish 3 Sierra Bravo.
Oh, it's 3 Sierra Bravo.
Turkish 3 Sierra Bravo, I needed to vacate the holding point. So behind the landing traffic, now on short final, enter runway 20 behind and vacate via Alpha.
Behind the landed traffic on short final, vacate runway 20 via Alpha behind Turkish 3 Sierra Bravo. And Turkish 3 Sierra Bravo, for like we need only 1.5 minutes more. Can we hold the position?
Negative, sir. Your flight plan is not suspended. I'm sorry. I needed to enter the runway and vacate the tank taxiway.
Enter the runway. Hotel 3.
Hotel 3.
Me. Good boy.
Holy moly.
Roger 20 for Alpha, continue to Golf 2, contact ground 11.755. American 259, runway 20, line up and wait via Sierra.
Via Sierra, line up and wait 20, American 259. Tower, Portugal 081,
Não, eu vou te falar.
Portugal 089, bom dia, continue approach runway 20, wind 130 degrees 5 knots, maximum 15.
Continue approach runway 20, Portugal 089.
Turkish 3 Sierra Bravo, you missed the chance, please expedite vacating via Hotel 1.
Vacating away Hotel 1, Turkish 3 Sierra.